Get ready to level up your morning coffee. These are pizza dough cinnamon rolls. For this recipe, we recommend you prepare your pizza dough ahead of time. First up, mix together the cinnamon and sugar in a bowl. Then fire up your Ooni pizza oven, aiming for around 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the stone baking board inside. Place your skillet inside the oven to warm up for a couple of minutes. Then remove it and drop on a tablespoon of warm butter. Once it's melted, spread it all over the surface of the skillet. Once your pizza dough is proofed, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. Then press it out into a half-inch thick sheet. Our guide to making the perfect classic pizza dough covers everything you need to know. Cover the dough with a generous layer of softened butter. Make sure you spread it right to the edges. Then dust over your cinnamon and sugar mixture. You want a nice, even distribution here. From the edge of the dough, roll the sheet onto itself to make a long tube of dough, making sure the butter is on the inside. Then slice that tube into around 15 rounds of dough. Place your skillet back inside the oven and bake for 5 to 7 minutes, or just until the cinnamon rolls are puffed up and have a lovely golden crust. While that's happening, it's time to prepare your icing. In a bowl, combine powdered icing sugar, water, and vanilla extract and stir everything together until the mix is smooth. When they're done cooking, remove the skillet from the oven and allow the rolls to cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Drizzle the icing over the top of those warm cinnamon rolls, serve right away, and enjoy.